Thank you.
Hope you get it fixed.
Thank you. Me too.
Maybe might get your job.
Shit, here we go again. Another master slave cylinder. Again. Clutch pedal. I already tried flushing it multiple times. No luck with flushing it. Fluid was coming out of the transmission plate. If you guys know what the transmission plate is, it's right under there. But there's brake fluid coming out of there, so that means master sleeve popped again. The plastic rubber piece just busted. I don't have an upgraded one because the OEM one is from part store. Let's go get a free one again, but I gotta go pull it out. Just gotta suck dick. Just unplugging the battery. Just in case, I'm gonna unplug a whole bunch of sensors and stuff like that. I don't wanna mess anything up. Just tuck it back over there or something. Out of the way. But the car's on jacks as of now. Just have the front just lifted up just a little bit so it keeps the pressure off some of the jack stand. I'm gonna put some stuff to stop the tires from rolling back just in case, even though I have the e-brake on, but I'm gonna grab some brakes over here, some of those type brakes. Alright, so we're going to take stuff apart now. Probably one of the most difficult parts, taking this shift knob off. Just kidding, it's not. But one of the fucking most annoying parts is trying to get the bolts off of this, because where the bolts are, they're just not located in the best spot. It's kind of like under here, so it's really hard to get a wrench in sideways and down. If you've never done it before, you'll see what I'm talking about. There's a sensor back here you want to unplug. Just press down on it and pull, and it'll come right. Came right out. It's the only sensor connected to it. This cover, and then you got this. This is what I'm talking about. One of the most annoying parts. So what you want to do is get all these wires and shit out of the way, because anything that's going to be in the way is going to fuck you up even worse. It's already hard as it is. Got those sensors up. See how they're like this? So you got enough room to get down there and get that bolt like that. That one's pretty easy to get, but like, see this one? You can't even see it. It's right around the corner. So yep. And then lovely one over here is the most difficult. All the way in the corner over there. Yep. So I'm gonna go work at this shit while you guys hopefully are going to work at it too, I guess. Alright, so I got all the bolts out, or the 4 of them out. I'm gonna go take the shift knob or the shift lever piece off, so it's a lot easier to take down, because this likes to like grab onto things underneath, you know what I mean, when you're trying to pull the transmission off. So I'm gonna take the shift knob lever off. Got the bolts here, just gonna leave them here just so they go with this. Leave all this shit in the car, because they all go together. Just make sure you leave everything together. So yeah, that's it for inside the car. Now time to get underneath, start working on everything. Alright, so it's right above the differential. I might need to take the differential or drive shaft off before I get this piece. I don't think I can grab it without. Maybe I can. Yeah, I still can. So yeah, there's a bolt on that side, and then there's one on that side. Just want to unscrew it on the side, and it'll come right out. Alright, so I got the bolt out down low. This is the one that goes down low. Got that one out. It's a 12 millimeter. And then time to get these ones up right here, just these three. And the shift lever should come off right here. Alright, so I just got the rest of the differential bolts out. All the way down there. Next is just gonna take out this little bracket right here. Got 14 mil on that side, 14 mil. And then pull the differential out. And I'm gonna stick a towel in it so the transmission fluid doesn't come out. Yeah. What's good, boys? It's the morning. Goddamn, 8 o'clock in the morning. I woke up like 2 hours ago. Fucking 8, took a shower and everything. Fucking got work at 10 o'clock. But yeah, we got this removed last night and stuff. We got the drive shaft removed. Drive shaft, I'm just leave it there. I'm not gonna try and take it out because all I'm doing is gonna drop the transmission. Then I'm gonna try and take that little master slave out. So yeah, time to get some work done. I'm gonna start working on the main bolts on the housing of the transmission. So yeah. Alright, so I got the skid plate off just so I can access the other bolts on the transmission. These ones right here that are already out, 14 mil. There's 4 of them, 2 on each side. And then all the bolts are 14 mil that are on the skid plate too, except the 2 big ones. They're 18 mils. But yeah. Next, I'm gonna get the starter off. The starter's right here. I already have it unplugged. I just need to undo it from the transmission. These 2 bolts hold it on. Pull that off, and then get the rest of the harness bolts off, and it should be good.